is Mamalyaw.
On the other side is that not.
But don't worry, in the lake there's no Mamalyaw. Okay po?
We need to hide.
So we have a fish there in the inside of the lake, but the fish there is very small. That is like a baby swordfish, or we call it needlefish po. Okay? So the water in the inside, the lake, Barracuda in Kayangan is same. It's a brackish water. That is a mixing of fresh and salt water. 70% of the water is fresh, 30% is a salt water. So that's why we call it brackish water po. Okay? So I said before, we need to trek from here going there to the lake. Okay? So we have 163 going up and then 204 going down. 367 up and down. Okay? So in the top of the mountain po so we're gonna stop on the top of the mountain because we have a beautiful view deck. That is the famous view deck here in Coron. Okay po? Ayan. Okay, start tayo.